So what language do you speak now to your family?
Well, I suppose it depends who I'm speaking to.
Yeah.
There's a few old aunties that I speak to in Gaelic when I'm at home, but I still falter sometimes. And I think that, again, is down to a wee bit of confidence in knowing and understanding what everybody is speaking about, but just having that extra wee bit of confidence to speak back and maybe not worry about making too many mistakes.
And actually, making mistakes is the best way to learn because you go, oh, okay, I did that. I won't do it again.
And you see, when you're speaking to pals or family, they're not going to, question if you get a wee bit of grammar wrong. They're really supportive. And I think that's the thing to always remember, is that everybody wants you to be able to speak Gaelic well and enjoy speaking Gaelic.
Yeah.
And that's what I definitely want to do.
So what advice would you have for people who are maybe in the same boat, would like to speak more Gaelic, but just haven't got there yet?
Well, I would say, cowmorst, just keep going and practice.